Kapil is now doing some fine tuning on the ring, making sure all the metal is sitting on the facets of the oval cubic zirconia. He taps on the wooden side of the hammer. There you go. Now he's smoothing out the tapping gently, examining it again with my loupe. He's using all of my tools. This is his first time doing a full bezel ring. He's trying to keep the ring from moving while he's hammering it. That's the hard part. Do you like what you see, Kapil?
Yeah.
Are you impressed?
Yes, it's exciting.
That guy needs a life. He finds this exciting. What we're going to do now is, since we're hammering it smooth, we don't have to file anymore. All we're going to use is a flat-faced pumice wheel, 180 grit, and go over where he did the hammering. Where's he going with the ring? There it goes. Okay, Kapil, you're still on movie. Okay, I'm going to let the video stop. I need a break. And he knows what he's doing. Very good, Kapil. Everybody on the Orchid says thank you.
You're welcome.